I will not have you claim legitimacy for what are debunked, frivolous, sovereign arguments.
As you can see there, the court losing patience with Darrell Brooks on day 9 of the Waukesha Christmas Parade trial. The self-represented defendant rambling on for about 50 minutes this morning, including telling the judge that she should recuse herself from the case at one point. Gabriella Becerra has the latest from the courtroom.
We were like sisters. We were a sisterhood.
9 of Milwaukee's dancing grannies participated in the Waukesha Christmas Parade. 3 plus 1 granny's husband were hit and killed.
It all happened in a matter of seconds.
Laura Thien testified a red streak whizzed by her and drove straight through her friends ahead of her.
All I seen were bodies. I thought I was in a war.
Other people marching with the Catholic community of Waukesha saw what happened just before the driver left the parade route.
It was going faster than anyone in their right mind would be driving in that scenario.
Leaving behind what many witnesses now have described as mass chaos.
As I looked back at all the carnage behind us, it was my thought then that we were involved in some sort of terrorist act. It was overwhelming fear, overwhelming panic amongst everyone in the downtown Waukesha.
Virginia Sorensen, Lee Owen, Tamara Durand, Wilhelm Hospel, and Jane Kulik died from multiple blunt force trauma consistent with being hit by a more than 3,000-pound moving car, according to the Waukesha County Medical Examiner.
Injuries increase like this because velocity is such an important part of the equation.
Dr. Amy Shield got choked up as she talked about 8-year-old Jackson Sparks' injuries.
What was his cause of death?
Complications of craniocerebral injuries due to blunt force trauma to head.
Her testimony also appeared to impact Darrell Brooks.
Do you have any questions for this witness?
Just 1 second.
This comes after the judge allowed Brooks to spend almost an hour airing his grievances about a variety of issues to the court.
It's a definite tragedy. Definite. And that will never be swept under the rug.
He has an agenda here. It's to stall, delay, disrupt, intimidate, and it's not going to work. Thank you.
Objection to that. Your Honor, that's a load of crap.
Mr. Brooks, it's my opportunity now.
The judge got the final word.
This trial will keep going. I still expect the basic rules of civility and decorum to be followed.
Attorney Julius Kim says he thinks it was a smart idea for Judge Doro to let him vent.
You kind of saw that they were starting to butt heads a little bit more, and there was a little more tension between Mr. Brooks and Judge Doro, and giving him that opportunity to kind of air his grievances, I think maybe was a little cathartic for him, and it was a way for Judge Doro to maintain control of the courtroom.
The state is now predicting they'll wrap up their case on Monday. They served 12 of Brooks's 13 subpoenas. The 13th was for the state of Wisconsin, which cannot be subpoenaed because it is an entity, not a person. Reporting in Waukesha, Gabriella Becerra, CBS 58 News.